The basic definition of a currency is a medium or means of exchange for goods and services. The US dollar, the European euro, the Japanese yen, and the British pound are some of the top traded currencies around the world. In this video, I am going to reveal to you 3 currencies you must start gathering. These are not dollar bills or coins. The interesting fact about these 3 currencies is that, most of us have overlooked their importance because we are not fully aware of the inherent purchasing power they carry, just like the money we use every day. The first of such currencies is time. This may be defined as the continued progress of existence and the summation of events in the past, present and the future as a whole. We can use this currency to redeem opportunities we have lost due to improper time management. We all have 24 hours in every day, and making the most out of your day will depend on how well you have planned your day ahead. You can invest your time to build a better relationship, complete your academic or work goals, or to grow your family. Whatever your priorities may be, you may begin by tracking how well you spend your time by simply keeping a time diary. Keeping a record of how you spend your time may look simple but produces relevant results when done. Remember that the purchasing power of time lies in how best you can spend or invest it. The mind is another currency to consider. The mind is a set of special faculties not limited to thinking, consciousness, imagination, intelligence and judgment. Whatever you conceive and believe in your mind, can be achieved, no matter what the circumstances are. Many of us don't believe in this because we focus on what is wrong and we ultimately move towards that. Negative thinking turns into fear-based thoughts filled with weird scenarios. You can train your mind for success through meditation, reading of books, and practicing of self-awareness. You are very powerful. This is because you have a mind. Just look at the wonderful inventions around you. They are all available because some humans like you decided to actively engage their mind power. Relationship and partnerships is the next currency. You may be wondering, what has relationship got to do with currency? A relationship is the way 2 or more people or groups are connected and behave towards each other. A well-built and healthy relationship allows your flaws to be accepted. You are also encouraged to become the best version of yourself. As humans, we have an inherent longing to get closer to other people, to connect and build relationships. For business partnership, a good reason for entering into strategic partnerships is access to new markets and clients. By forming a strategic partnership, we pool resources to serve larger territories without investing heavily in infrastructure. Can you imagine the benefits of aligning yourself with an established company that has already built trust of its customers? Now that you know about these new currencies, I believe you will spend and invest them in the most rewarding way.